Welcome to our video. We will explore the health benefits of guacamole and how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Have you ever thought about eating guacamole every day for 30 days? If not, you may want to reconsider after watching this video. The 30-day guacamole challenge is a simple and effective way to kickstart your health journey. So are you up for the challenge? Be sure to subscribe our channel for more health and wellness content. Guacamole is not only a tasty and versatile dip, but it's also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health. Avocados, the main ingredients in guacamole, are a rich source of monosaturated and polysaturated fats, which are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. First and foremost, guacamole is a great source of healthy fats. The main fat in avocados is oleic acid, a monosaturated fat that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Studies have also found that eating avocados can help lower bad cholesterol levels, which in turn reduces the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the fat in guacamole can help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, D, E, and K, which are essential for the healthy body. In addition to healthy fats, guacamole is also loaded with vitamins and minerals. One serving of guacamole contains vitamin A, K, B6, and E, as well as minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and folate. These nutrients can help support your immune system, regulate blood sugar, and promote healthy skin and hair. Vitamin C, in particular, is an important antioxidant that can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Guacamole also contains antioxidants such as carotenoids, which are plant pigments that give fruits and vegetables their bright colors. Carotenoids have been shown to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can cause chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. In fact, one study found that the antioxidant in avocados may help prevent cancer by reducing oxidative stress in the body. Another important nutrient found in guacamole is fiber. One serving of guacamole contains about 3 grams of fiber, which is about 12% of the daily recommended intake. Fiber is essential for the healthy digestive system and can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote feeling of fullness, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Guacamole and weight loss. Guacamole is not only a tasty dip, but it can also aid in weight loss. In fact, a single serving of guacamole can provide a range of nutrients and compounds that can help you lose weight in various ways. One of the primary ways that guacamole can help with weight loss is through its healthy fat content. Guacamole is primarily made of avocado, which is a great source of monosaturated fats that can help reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and promote weight loss. In particular, the monosaturated fat in avocado can help regulate blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, which can help prevent the storage of excess fat in the body. Another way that guacamole can aid in weight loss is through its high fiber content. Fiber is an essential nutrient that can help regulate digestion, promote satiety, and reduce the absorption of calories. Guacamole is also a good source of protein, which is another nutrient for weight loss. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, boosting metabolism, and promoting satiety. In addition to healthy fats, fiber, and protein, guacamole is also rich in antioxidants that can support weight loss. Antioxidants are compounds that can help reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and damage to cells that can contribute to weight gain and chronic diseases. Guacamole also contains a variety of minerals that can support weight loss, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and bone density. Avocado, the primary ingredient in guacamole, has a low glycemic index, which means it can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent insulin spikes. Mindful eating and protein control. Mindful eating is the practice of paying attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of food, while also tuning into your body's hunger and fullness cues. By adding a spoonful of guacamole to your meal, you can add flavor and satisfaction without consuming too many calories. Additionally, taking the time to savor and enjoy your food can help you tune in your body's hunger and fullness cues and prevent overeating. So, why does guacamole help with weight loss? First of all, it's important to note that avocados are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time. This means you're less likely to overeat and consume unnecessary calories. Additionally, avocados are a great source of healthy fats, which are essential for overall health and can actually aid in weight loss. Studies have shown that consuming avocados can lead to a reduction in belly fat and can overall decrease in body weight. In fact, one study found that overweight adults who added avocado to their meals lost significantly more weight than those who didn't. But it's not just the avocados that make guacamole a great addition to your weight loss journey. The other ingredients like tomatoes, onions, and lime juice are all low in calories and high in nutrients. Plus, the spiky kick from the jalapeños can actually boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories throughout the day. The 30-day guacamole challenge is a great way to incorporate more of this delicious and nutritious dip into your diet. Here's how it works. For 30 days straight, you'll commit to eating guacamole at least once a day. It can be as a snack with some veggies or chips. The key is to make sure you're getting a daily dose of this superfood. Now you may be wondering why you should take on this challenge. Well, first of all, eating guacamole for 30 days straight can help you form a healthy habit. By incorporating this delicious dip into your daily routine, you'll be more likely to continue eating it even after the challenge is over. Additionally, the health benefits we discussed earlier in this video will only be amplified when you're eating guacamole every day. You may notice improvements in your digestion, energy levels, and even your skin. But don't just take our word for it. Give the 30-day guacamole challenge a try and see the results for yourself. Thank you for watching our video and learning more about the benefits of guacamole.